I saw an article in the Journal of the Royal College of Physicians, which is a famous medical school in London, uh, said that many chronic diseases respond to lifestyle changes. And even some lifestyle changes even can prevent certain diseases like type 2 diabetes, heart diseases, some cancers, and autoimmune disease as well. But one important question that was talked about in that article is, could the same boost the fight against COVID 19? Watch this video until the end to learn more. Okay. Say, when I was going through the article, I didn't find anything new in that actually. Everything we know, it was talking about whatever it's being talked about nowadays. Particularly, it's internet is overloaded with a lot of information, lot of health tips and other thing. It's the same thing it was talking about, but it just stressed upon key points, right? uh, which if we follow, which we if we make our changes to lifestyle, then it will lead to a disease free and healthy lifestyle, a healthy life, right? So it's I think it is a time to continue with whatever the lifestyle changes we are making now, or whatever the uh, healthy habits that we are following. And if we are not following, I think it's better to start it now with a small step, and take a U-turn, uh, take a step towards the U-turn to make some changes to the your lifestyle to for a better healthy life. And what it was talking about is four key lifestyle factors it was touching upon, right? So which that could affect whether you have a healthy or unhealthy immune system. That's an important point here. And it's the four things that it was talking about is, number one is what you eat actually, right? So what do you eat? It was talking about whole food and plant-based food, which are better choices. Number two, what we do, right, in the form of physical activity. It's mandates some amount of physical activity on a daily basis. Could be a small walking or a movement, walking up the stairs, or even any advanced strength training and other things. Number four, what it was talking about is mental well-being. So wherein is better to follow certain habits or practices which will reduce your stress as well. And you can also do meditation or do yoga to keep up with your stress well-being. Okay. Fourth thing which I like this is connectedness, right? So connecting with your close network of friends, families. More importantly, love them actually, and speak to them. So that also will help you to prevent certain chronic diseases. Fine. Uh, and it's very clear that these lifestyle changes have a positive impact on reducing the risk of developing chronic disease, and may even reduce the severity, or in some cases it can be reversed as well if you are already having certain diseases like diabetes, or any high blood pressure, and certain lifestyle diseases. It can also help to reverse that action. And by doing that, what it says that we are reducing the risk of contracting from COVID 19. So, in short, eat well, move more, stress less, love more. Also, it was stressing upon the smoking, don't smoke, right? Um, And I also saw some mention about 2000 in 2018. Harvard School of Public Health found they did the research with I think 1 lakh people, found that people who are following this four lifestyle healthy lifestyle habits had an 82% lower risk of heart disease and 65% lower chance of cancer. And on average, this totally surprising to me as well. They also lived 12 to 14 years longer. Okay. So while you follow the standard protocol to prevent COVID-19, like wearing mask, washing your hands regularly, and maintaining the social distance, please do take small step to make a change in your lifestyle to avoid risk of contracting from COVID-19. Okay. If you like this video, please do share and comment. If you, I will continue to post more such useful information in the coming days. Please do join my VIP private Facebook group. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. The links of which are given below the video. Okay. Until next time, cheers and stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.